Hello everyone, this is Soni Sharma. Welcome to my channel Advait. Today again one more concept related to the division we are going to learn in multiplication and division, that is chapter 4. So how to divide a number by one digit number. We have already seen the division and we have done also in 4th standard, but I think we have only divided a 3 and 4 digit number. Okay, but now we will see the division of a 5 digit number also by the one digit. So first go for the one digit number. Let's do the recap of a 3 digit number divided by one digit number. Suppose this 271 I have to divide by 6. Okay, what the rule says? Rule says at a time you can take only one digit, but if the first number is less than 6, that is your divisor, you can go for 2 digit, but that is only in the starting, not after that. So as 2 is less than 6, so I will take whole 27 together. Now I'll read the table of 6. 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24, and 6 5s are 30. 30 is more than 27, so what I will do, see here, 6 4s are 24 I got, and 6 5s are 30. 30 is more than 27, so I'll go for 24, that is by 4s. It means if you are getting a greater number, just move one step behind. So we'll go for 4s. 6 4s are 24. Now do the subtraction. 7 minus 4, it will be 3. 2 minus 2, it will be 0. Now you will copy the next digit, that is 1. Okay, now I have got 31. Again you will read the table of 6. 6 5s are 30 and 6 6s are 36. Again 36 is more than 31, so I'll go for 5s. 6 5s are 30. Okay, 1 minus 0 1, 3 minus 3 0. Now students, you should be aware of the sum terms which we have already discussed in 4th standard, that 45 is our quotient, 271 is our dividend, I'm just using the short forms, and 6 is our divisor, 1 is known as the remainder. So you should be aware of these terms which we are going to use later on. Now we'll see the division of a 5 digit number by one digit. Let's take an example of 6,200, not 60,817 divided by 9. Okay, suppose this is the number. Again, if I'll see my 6 is less than 9, so I'll take 62 together. One more thing students which you have to keep in mind, suppose when you are dividing 62 by 9, 9 8s are 72, okay, which is more than 62, so I will go for 7s are 9 7s are 63, which is again more than 62, so I'll go for 6s are 9 6 are 54. This 6 you will write above 2, not above 6. Why? Because my number is whole 62. I am not dividing 6, but actually I am dividing 62. So your first question will be on the ones place of your number. My 62, in 62 my 2 is at the ones place, so it should be above it. So 9 6 are 54. Let's do the subtraction. 2 minus 4 not possible, so we'll take the borrowing from 6, it will become 12. 12 minus 4, it will be 8. Here I'll get 5. 5 minus 5, it will be 0. Now I'll copy the next number from up, that is 8. So my number is 88 now. 9 9s are 81 and 9 10s are 90, again more than 88, so I'll go for 9s are 9 9s are 81. Do the subtraction. 8 minus 1, it will be 7. 8 minus 8, it will be 0. Next number is 1. I'm getting 71 now. 9 7s are 63. 9 8s are 72, which is more than 71, so I'll go for 7s. 9 7s are 63. 1 minus 3 not possible. Take the borrowing from 7, it will become 11. 11 minus 3, you are going to get 8. I'm writing here students because no space is there down. And here I got 7, 1 is given to 1, so it is 6. 6 minus 6, it will be 0. I got 8 and this 7 I'm going to copy here. So my number is 87. Again it is not coming in the table of 9, so I'll go for 9 9s are 81 because 9 10s are it is more than 87. So my remainder is 6 here. Okay, I hope the division is clear how we have divided a 3-digit number. Similarly, we are going to divide the 4-digit or 5-digit or 6-digit number also. Now, we have to learn division algorithm now. Okay, just remember, okay, don't remember it, we'll take a different example for that. What is division algorithm? Just a minute. This algorithm we use for the checking of the division. Okay, how? This algorithm says that dividend is equal to divisor into question plus remainder. Suppose we are dividing 36 by not 2 by 5. Okay, so 5 sevens are 35. I'll get one remainder. According to the algorithm, my divisor is, see, what is my divisor here? 5. What is my question? 7 plus my remainder is 1. I should get my dividend after doing the whole operation. So first you will do the multiplication. 5 sevens are 35 plus 1 it will be 36. So I am getting my dividend. It means my whole division is correct. So this algorithm we use just for the checking after the division to check whether my division is right or not. If you will do any mistake in the division, your dividend will not come. It means you have missed something. Okay. So this algorithm we are going to use for the checking in our exercise. Let's take the first sum in exercise 9, that is 62,817 divided by 9. Just now I think I have done the same division. So I'll share with you all the division. See, this is the division. Okay, or it will be not, then fine, we'll divide again. I think the remainder was different there. So we'll do the division. See, 62,817 divided by 9. 6 is less than 9, so whole 62 I'll take. 9 8s are 72, more than 62. 9 7s are 63 is also more than 62. So 9 6 54. After subtraction, I'm going to get 12 minus 4 8, 5 minus 5 0. Copy 8 down. I'll go for 9 9s are 81. Okay, 7 down, 1 copy from up. Now 9 sevens are 63. Subtraction 11 minus 3 it will be 8. 0 again 7 from up it will be 87, that is 9 9s are 81. My remainder will be 6. Okay, so just remember the question and the remainder. Our remainder is 6. Let's rub everything else. Okay, so here my quotient is 6,979. My remainder is 6 and division and dividend is already there. So what is the algorithm says? According to the division algorithm, dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. You all have to learn this formula very well. Okay, dr is not the short form for the divisor actually, but I'm just using because of the lack of the space. So instead of divisor, what we are going to write here, this 9. My quotient is 6,979 plus my remainder is 6. Now what you have to check, you have to multiply these numbers together and you have to check whether you are getting the dividend or not after adding 6. So let's do the division. 6,979 into 9. 9 9s are 81, 8 carry. 9 7s are 63 plus 8 will be 71, 7 carry. 9 9s are 81 plus 7 will be 88, 8 carry again. 9 6 are 54 plus 8 will be 62. So I have got 62,811. I'm rubbing this, writing here 62,811 plus 6. Let's do the addition. 1 plus 6, it will be 7. 1, 8, 6, 2. So my number is same. If you are getting the same number, that is your dividend, it means the whole division you have done correctly. So in this exercise we have to divide also the number, and then we have to do the checking also. I hope it's clear. Now we'll see how to divide any number by a two-digit number. Okay, so this is the whole processing. Here the division. Okay, here we have used the algorithm for the checking, and this work I have done just to make you understand that 9 into 6,979 is 60,811 plus 6 we will do, and we will get our answer. This work is optional, students. Okay, this is not a compulsion to write this whenever you are solving such type of sums. This step, it means the division, and this checking part, these are the important. If you will not do this, you are going to lose the marks. But this part, 1 minute, heading is compulsory to write checking, but this part is optional. You can do this as a fair work also, you can do this as a rough work also. Okay, but these two parts where I have put tick are compulsory to show.